Hello, friends. Are you going through some tough times and thinking how to stay optimistic? Here are some most practical tips based on astroscience. Please watch this video till the end. Tip 1. Go in a park or ground. Yep, you need to go out in nature, surround yourself with some green to activate your Mercury, that is logical part of your brain. Give it a thought. Nothing stays permanent in this world, neither the season nor the human, and never the tough days. What has come has to go. Thus, you just need to keep working and moving forward, and this too shall pass. Second tip is to watch sunrise. Activate your sun. Illuminate your soul and thoughts by catching up with sunrise. Sun provides you courage and hope. It gives your soul power to stand against all that life may throw at you during tough times. Third tip, meditate. Based on your zodiac, you can consult your astrologer to get a right meditation technique which will help activate the required chakra in your body. It has same effect as opening of a third eye. You start seeing the universe and life in more meaningful way rather than getting caught in a loop of endless desires. Fourth tip, ignite some fire passion within. Fire signs Aries, Leo and Sagittarius are the most optimistic out of all zodiac. Why? Because they have abundance of fuel inside to keep their fire burning and helps them to stay positive even in the worst of situations. You can also ignite this fire by getting yourself occupied with some task which you are passionate about or by just initiating something new. Fifth tip, activate the ninth house of birth chart. Ninth zodiac is Sagittarius and the ninth house of birth chart represents faith, religion, long travels, luck, knowledge gained through father and teacher. Thus, Saggis are the most positive people you can find. They know where to reach out for help when in need, and that is your father, your guru and God himself. Sixth tip, deactivate the 12th house of birth chart, that is house of loss. There is an useful remedy in astrology to stop any big loss before it causes any damage to you by making donation of some kind to poor, sick, hospitals, jails, etc. A regular such practice decreases the negativity of 12th house and thus help elevate the positivity inside you. Seventh tip, practice forgiveness. Learn to understand that nothing in this universe happens without a reason. If someone has hurt you deeply, there is a chance in past life you did something same to that person and you have a karmic debt to fulfill against him or her. Thus, don't store negativity in your heart against anyone. Try instead to follow the right path always and you'll be blessed with optimism. 8th tip, talk to self. Yes, have a chat with yourself when in doubt. Ask yourself how resilient you are. If you have fulfilled your karma correctly, then tell yourself, this too shall pass. It's just a phase. I am here for greater things. Believe in you. Last tip, accept your mistakes. You cannot grow further unless you fix a mistake you did in the past, or at least learn to not repeat that same again. Most important, work for improvement. Maybe unintentionally you have hurt someone in the past and you realize it only now. Reach out and say sorry. If possible, try to fix and you'll get this amazing boost of positivity. Remember, one day all these tough times will make sense. You realize how far you have come, and when you thought things were such a mess that you would never recover, and you smile. You smile because you're truly proud of yourself and the person you have fought to become. That is the greatest achievement. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's share this video to spread some optimism around. Please like and comment below if you found this video useful. And follow Karmic Souls on Instagram for more such posts.